This is a quick unboxing video of the Makita DTD156 and the Makita DHR171Z. Very basic packaging. I really don't like the packaging at all. For the price you're paying for the item, I expect to get something slightly better. It's not very. The reason I don't like it is because, you know, it's not very protective. If this is going to be transported from Japan all the way to wherever you are, UK for me, and I can't help but think that it's you know, prone to being damaged en route, and that is literally it. That's where you get the device. It's not even an instruction manual. I think this oh, there you go, instruction manual and a little catalog. I think that's the belt clip. There you have the impact driver, the SDS drill, same again, really cheap, really basic packaging. I've assembled this actually came separately so that it fit in the box, and that is literally it, just a device, the grip and whatever you call this thing here, and then the instruction manual inside. So there you have it. What am I talking about? What do I mean by cheap packaging? Well, here's a product, a charger. I can't open it, but you can see it's much. The packaging is way better. Oh yeah. What am I talking? So when I'm talking about cheap packaging, why do I dislike it? Well, here's a wireless charger. That's probably less likely to be damaged in transit, in all fairness, and this is how it's packaged. All secure, very protected. You know, so in transport, you know, things get bashed around, knocked around, things get dropped on it, but you're more likely to get a product that's safe and in perfect working order when it's packaged like this, as opposed to packaged like this.